Hello, my name is Brad, and I'm sending you this free video so that you may help your business rank better in the Google apps, and which return brings more revenue into your company. We're going to go over three different things. One is content, two is backlinks, and three is citations. Content. Content is the amount of words you find on your web page. Okay. So I can see you don't have a whole lot here right in the front page anyhow, but there's probably some back in this area as well. So again, words is what Google is looking for, how many words you have. So yeah, you have a lot more here in this page, okay? So again, Google wants anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words to help you rank in Google. We're going to talk about keywords as part of your content. A keyword is anything that you would type in this area right here to find what you're looking for, whether you're looking for pizza, hotel room, or whatever. But the keyword, I'm sure you know how to use this, but the keyword here would be HVAC because that's what your company does. And when I typed that in there, what it did is help me find who is ranking. So Jackson Hardware, I think they're about 20 minutes away from you, maybe. Um, they're ranking number one in this area that's referred to as Mappets area. Okay. And down here is the organic area that people will search for you as well. When people are looking for HVAC, for example, they normally go into this area number two and this area number one. This is where they'll normally click to find what they're looking for. So again, this is also how I found your top competitor out there by typing in HVAC. All right. Now we're going to get into backlinks. Well, actually, I'm going to back up. Let's go into how many words you have. I forgot to do that. So if I copy and paste this, it'll tell us how many words you have by using this tool right here called word count. We just type or copy your URL in here, and it'll tell us how many words you guys out there. You have 1,149, so you're doing pretty good there. But again, keep in mind Google's looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words. If we go into your competitor out there and we copy and paste theirs into this word count, they only have 856. Okay, so you're doing better there, but yet they're still outranking you guys over here. And again, this is where we want to get you guys, or where you should want to be to bring more revenue into your company. We'll go into this other tool that I use. Now, this one is not free. It's called Ahrefs. And what this brings up is how many backlinks you have, how many organic keywords, things along that line. It looks like you guys have about 555 keywords on your website, or in your website, which is good. Let's just see what those keywords are. Mr. Hollins. You can see right here how much volume they're bringing in these different keywords. Heating and Holland Heating, that's bringing in 500. Electric for small jobs is bringing in 1,000. So you can see how keywords make a difference. There's probably a few in here that's probably not bringing in quite as much, like quick quick flash oil generator, which that's probably not a bad word for your company. Again, quick flash is not doing a whole lot for you. 1717, I don't know what that is, but I'm guessing that's not doing much for you, as I can see here. So we might want to switch up a few keywords. You have a lot of them, but you could use some better ones. And if we go over here to your competitor, again, this is them right here. And Waiting. So they don't have any backlinks. I'm just going to point that out right away. But we'll talk about that a little bit more here. So they only have 12 organic keywords. Click on it just to see what they have. So again, they're not bringing in quite the volume you are, but they are using a few better keywords in here, okay? So they're a hardware store too, I noticed. So they might be on a second web page for faucets, for example, or air conditioning. Um, might be have a lot more keywords in that area. I didn't go that deep. I didn't want to waste too much of your time here. So backlinks is the next thing we'll talk about. A backlink is anywhere you'll find one website linking to another um, clickable hyperlink text. So a backlink is kind of like a popularity contest. Normally, here's your competitors since I already have them up here. They don't have any backlinks, so I don't know what they're doing there. But again, they might have their backlinks in another web page that they use. Like I said, hardware, for instance, they might have that in there. But let's see where you guys are for backlinks. You have 650. If I click on that, so these are the backlinks. So again, what this is kind of like a popularity contest. Normally, whoever has the most backlinks wins the contest in this area right here. All right. So again, I think there's one reason they're outranking you is due to the fact that they're a hardware store. Okay. Um, Again, I can do a little more research on that if this is something that interests you. In fact, I can go into Schumer and check theirs out as well. Let's go into citations. A citation is anywhere on your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as it is on your Google business profile. Okay. So in this area right here, if these guys didn't have the and in here and it's on their web page, they wouldn't be ranking in the map it's here. Same with Jackson Hardware here, or I'm sorry, HVAC. They don't have a lot here like this little dot right here. If they didn't have that dot in there, they wouldn't be showing up in this area. So again, we need to get you up here. This is the number 2 spot that people will click. This is the number 1 spot. Um, and I don't think I found you guys in here until I think the 3rd page. Yeah, here you guys are right here. You're on the 3rd page. And again, if you're like me, normally when I'm looking through to find a hotel or whatever, I don't go into the 3rd page to find them. I go into the 1st page. And I'm guessing you're the same way. So again, it's very important to be up here and right here to bring more revenue to your company. So in closing, I'm going to give you my information, how to find me. Um, And also mention if you can get up into these spots right here, like I mentioned several times, it's going to bring in a lot more revenue for your company. And I think that's what they're looking for and what you are looking for. So if we can get you up into this area, let's say you're doing 10% of your business right now from that 3rd page I showed you. Could you imagine being up here in the number 1 spot and bringing in at least 50% more income to your business? So if you're doing $2,000 a week and you add 50% of that, that's quite a bit of money. You guys can use it to spend on more um, ads. You can use it to buy more material. You could hire more clients, take time off and go on vacation. I'm not sure what you would use it for, but I know 50% more income is a big deal. Uh, Again, in closing, all I'm going to talk about now is how to contact me. You can reach me at 608 574 2784, or you can reply to an email that I'm going to be sending this video to. And if this is something that you would like more information on, I'm here to help all the time. Otherwise, like I said, you can use this information yourself to help build your guys a better, stronger web page. I thank you very much.